This entry door from Geldwin adds a gorgeous wheat pattern to its obscure glass insert to make a functional element more beautiful. These acrylic block windows from Highlight are lighter than real glass blocks, so they can be made operable for ventilation as casement or awning units. To add ventilation to entry door units without covering the beautiful door, Therma-Tru has hinged the side lights and added screens to them. Now that's a great new concept.
Blinds between the glass, not that new of a concept, but when they're on a sliding glass door, that's new, and that's what I found here at the ODL booth. Same conveniences because the blinds are inside the glass. That means no more dust and dirt. I love that. Dangling cords have always been a safety concern. Not so, they're eliminated. You've got your up and down, your tilting, open and close, and of course the blinds also move with the door. Now, one other option you can add to this, and I love this, is a low profile retractable screen door.